Seward, Alaska starts here. Whether you're planning a quick day trip or a multi-day journey from Anchorage, this charming coastal town is an absolute must-visit. Nestled between towering mountains and the Resurrection Bay, Seward is your gateway to wild landscapes and authentic local experiences for all ages.
So soft.
In this video, we'll share our recommended 48-hour itinerary, top tips, and all the information you need to make your trip truly unforgettable. Let's dive in. There are several ways to reach Seward from Anchorage: by car, by shuttle, or by train. Drive along the highway for about 2 hours and glimpse glaciers, turquoise lakes, and jaw-dropping mountain views. The one we used for shuttle was Red Eye during another part of our trip in Alaska. It's a convenient and scenic option. By train, which we did, Alaska Railroad is a 4.5-hour journey departing Anchorage at 6:45 a.m. and arriving in Seward around 11:20 a.m. It's the easiest and most scenic way. We have created another video specifically for this if you would like to learn more. There are several options for your stay. We stayed at Harbor 360, which is right in front of the pier. You can walk to many restaurants and attractions from here. You get 360-degree views of Resurrection Bay and Kenai mountains, free breakfast, and is in perfect spot to explore Kenai Fjords National Park.
It's gonna be a beautiful day.
Our first activity is with Kenai Backcountry Rafting. This activity promised stunning scenery and a wild ride. We are very excited about this.
We share this trip with a great group of fellow creators, so you'll see some new faces here and there.
For this activity, it is recommended to have your rain jacket, and they will provide vest, wet pants, and also boots.
First, I need to work for, and I think I'm doing the least amount of work. Let me switch of you. Yeah, you just be the pretty one, right?
All right, so we're pretty much just gonna have 3 commands today. All stop. So then next we got all forward. We'll go all forward. There we go. Jen's getting after it.
Got a strong one here.
So next we got all back. So putting that paddle behind us and pushing it forward. Jen's trying to pull me into the river. All stop. All right. I don't think we need to practice anymore.
It started very mildly, and we were enjoying the beauty around us.
We got a view of the glacier over here on our right. This is going to be one of our last views of the glacier. Final command is a paddle 5. We'll put all of our paddles up into the air like this. We'll clink them together like it's a high five. We'll do that whenever something cool happens or something bad almost happens.
360, wow! How are you feeling?
Great.
There we go.
Alaska's so cool.
So the guide is checking if we can pass through, because river here changes every day because it brings a lot of debris and stuff. So yeah, that's what he's doing.
Got this.
You know, we wouldn't run through this if we weren't confident in y'all, so we're very confident. I just need y'all to give it what you got and paddle hard for me. So we can go ahead and watch what they're doing. As you can see, they're doing right there.
Whoa.
Just like that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. That's a paddle 5 moment right there. Okay, we got this. Ready? Paddle 5. Paddle 5. Woo! Let's do it. Yep, just be ready to paddle hard, whatever the call is.
I can feel my heart pumping.
There we go. That's what we want. We'll go all back. Keep going, keep going.
All back.
Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Go forward. All right.
That was cool.
Everybody okay?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, stop. Go back. We got a little special surprise for y'all, other than the ones we've already experienced.
What'd you think?
That was fun. I like the hair comes out for this little things. What did you think?
I don't know. That was a lot of fun.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna lie, my butt is wet and the water is cold. But this is what it fixes.
All right, it looks like it gets real shallow in here, but we're
They're jumping again.
They're jumping again.
roll forward. Before this paddle hard, you're trying to get the right paddle hard. Give me what you got. Come on, give me what you got. Come on. Water's gonna start helping us soon. Keep going, keep going. One more.
This is how you do it!
Goodbye.
Beautiful, wonderful paddle 5. Yeah, with the camera.
If you are looking to book this activity, you can do so by scanning this QR code. Booking ahead is recommended. After all that cold experience, it was time to warm up. This is amazing.
That's interesting.
Yeah, you guys ready?
Yes.
So we are Seward Saunas. We just started this year in April. This is our 16-foot trailer. It's got an 8-foot cool down room and a 8-foot sauna chamber.
This is so cool. This is the sauna where you go upstairs for more heat. I prefer this side because you can see the mountains from down here.
And because it's off-grid sauna, it's a wood sauna. You have here a bunch of wood that you can feed it yourself and get it as hot as you want it.
And this is your view. So this sauna can be rented in case you have a party, and it can be put in other place. Here in Seward, you can put it here. That's it. Such a cool place.
Oh yeah. What you do when you are in a sauna by the river in Alaska and you got very, very hot. Lay down.
Okay.
Now.
Actually, now I can be out here without a towel and I feel fine. Reservations are recommended. Rates also depend on group size and duration. To wrap up our day, we had a delicious dinner at the cookery. Known for fresh seafood and Alaska-grown produce, makes each meal a masterpiece.
A great day in Alaska must start with a great coffee.
Hey baby, these shortcuts might be removed.
And a new friend, I guess.
He's so cute.
I
Oh,
know.
he's such a poser. Should we go in?
Okay.
I don't want to break your heart, but I need to go.
Bye, baby.
She's like, no.
Bye-bye. I know. Best coffee place in Seward. It comes with the dog.
Why?
Comes with free painting.
Coastal Voyager.
46. Awesome. You guys are all set.
Thank you.
It's gonna be a beautiful day.
So some bald eagle. Two of them.
Yeah, right at the very start. It's such a gorgeous day today. And hopefully, we get to see some of the wildlife up close.
Luckily, we didn't have to wait long for that.
That was my very first
Like this?
otter. They're just posing there. It's so cute.
The newborns are known as
Some poser, huh?
So this tour comes with lunch, and you can either have the normal one or a vegetarian. For me, I ordered some chicken.
Now, if you're curious what this boat is like, we're gonna try to give you a tour today. And we will start here. We're at the upper deck, and you gotta hold on to your hat. The captain won't pick up the hat unless you're on it. All right, that's good. It's a lot warmer inside. We are now on the upper deck, upstairs. Still flying.
Hold on. So when you're here, make sure to bring your anti-drowsiness or anti-dizziness medicine or whatever you may have. I have this one, the bracelet. Oh my god. In here, my friend, is the lower deck where you can also sit. But what's important is snack and drink bar. They have a naughty water. Alright, we'll go to the most exciting part. And here in the app, you're going to find the most important part of the boat. See, it's pretty spacious.
And then as they start to dry out, they kind of get that
All right.
reddish. We have some stellar sea lions off our port side here, but I'm going to spin the boat around.
And here's the boat.
And we were just told that somewhere here we're gonna see some stiller seals.
In the front. Oh, there.
Wow. There's so many of them.
Do you see it?
Stellar sea
And that concludes our boat tour.
Hoist up the Jumbie sails, see how the mainsail set. Call for the captain ashore, let me go home.
Someone got seasick. Guest book.
I wanna go.
By the way, they're very nice. They distribute the bags. And we got one too. Just in case.
Well, I feel so break up. I wanna go home. I want to go home.
I must say that it gets very rough. The majority of people are quite sick, so if you get easily seasick, consider that.
Let me go home. Let me go home. I want to go.
And disclaimer, MJ ended up using that bag. But we got a new one just in case.
It's gonna be a beautiful day.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful.
We've seen it from far, and it's like so tiny, but you really get to appreciate the size of it once you get close. It's really huge.
Thank God I feel a little bit better. It was rough.
12 o'clock, you've got lots of black
it's
dots
worth
hanging
it.
out on this ice that's floating around. And that's it's all harbor seals that are hauled in.
And you can hear it all the way from here. Oh my gosh! I'm just curious what happens if all this ice goes down.
It's beautiful, but sad at the same time. So we've been here for like 5 minutes and it's been trashing non-stop.
So, Victor mentioned to me that the seals were not concerned. And I'm like, where are the seals? And apparently the ones,
They're everywhere.
they're everywhere. He's like, they're everywhere. I thought they were rocks. I want to ask you a question.
Its way, hopefully it
my question.
evaporates.
Do you want to lick an ice
Hopefully it'll return.
that's 100 years old?
The hardy ice field is another snowflake to start the process.
I would try.
all over.
If you watch our old video, I did just that.
It's a boring video, don't watch it, don't waste your time.
Here,
You're
here's
gonna
the,
demonstrate the licking?
it's the Glaciarita ice.
This is an amazing cruise to take. In our case, it was filled up with all type of emotions.
Just be prepared when you come here, but it's totally worth it.
I would do it again.
I just have to be prepared.
We took the 7-hour cruise, which explores Resurrection Bay and the park's dramatic fjords.
The 4-hour option is a good alternative if you're short on time, but you won't be able to see the glaciers up close. Reservations are recommended.
There are many cute places to eat at here. For today, we've decided to go to Supalak's Bakery for some goodies.
I must say it was super delicious. If you have an extra time, visit the renowned Marine Research and Rehabilitation Facility. Great for families and if you're interested in interacting with Alaska's marine ecosystems.
What do I touch there?
Anything, all safe.
Shrimpy. How about this one?
Yep, it's a sea anemone, and so it's an animal that's related to jellyfish.
Oh, so soft.
It sticks in
It's quite cold. They have a very, very cold environment, 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Have you ever had a hug from a sea urchin? Maybe not the warmest hug you've ever had. It's a hug.
I want a hug too. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, how do you get out?
You don't?
Okay, they're all hugging my hand. I get out. It's quite scary.
Downtown Seward has plenty of local cuisine options.
Tonight's dinner is special.
For a truly unforgettable meal, head over to the Flamingo Lounge. Steeped in local history, with a chef who trained at some of the country's top restaurants. The quirky decor and creative menu makes it a Seward must-visit. Expect bold flavors and a lively atmosphere.
If you take away one thing from this video, let it be this. Yep, you heard it right.
When you come to Alaska, gotta have a duck farm.
Seward works as a day trip from Anchorage, especially if you take the early train or shuttle down and return in the evening. However, we recommend spending 2 to 3 days to fully experience the area. On our visit, we were lucky enough to catch the Aurora Borealis as well, a magical bonus for staying overnight. If you have extra time, there are so many other activities to choose from. For more details, check out our description links below. After our Seward adventure, we boarded Red Eye Shuttle to Homer, Alaska, another gem on the Kenai Peninsula. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll share all the highlights from Homer and why it's worth the trip.
Oh, it's a lot of workout.
That's a huge one. Nice job.